I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Textjoin function in Microsoft Excel. For a long time, combining text from multiple different cells required using the clunky concatenate function or typing out repetitive ampersand symbols for every single cell you wanted to merge. Textjoin changes that by allowing you to easily combine a large range of cells using a single delimiter like a comma, space, or slash, while giving you the power to automatically skip empty cells in your data. Step 1. Open your Excel spreadsheet and find the columns you want to merge. For this example, we are working with our list of the top 200 individual comic issues, which includes separate columns for the title, issue number, writer, artist, and publisher. Let's say you want to combine the writer name and the artist name into a single cell to show the full creative team. Step 2. Click inside an empty cell where you want the combined text to appear and then type equals Textjoin open parentheses. Step 3. Define your delimiter, which is the character you want to place between the merged pieces of text. Type a quotation mark, enter a space followed by a forward slash and another space, and close the quotation marks. Then add a comma. Your formula should now look like the example you see on the screen. Step 4. Tell Excel how to handle empty cells by entering its second argument. Type the word true followed by a comma to tell the formula to completely ignore blank cells, ensuring you don't end up with awkward empty spaces if a comic book is missing an artist or writer name. Step 5. Hold down the Control button on a Windows machine or the Command button on a Mac, and then click to select the individual cells you want to combine. In this example, I'll click to select the cell with the writer's name and then the cell for the artist's name. Step 6. Type a closing parenthesis so your final formula looks like what's on the screen. Press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will instantly merge the text, giving you a clean result like Mark Waid, Alex Ross. You can then double-click the fill handle in the bottom right corner of that cell to copy the formula all the way down to row 200. One of the best features of Textjoin is that it isn't limited to just selecting two cells that sit right next to each other. If you wanted to build a complete summary description for each comic book that includes the title, the issue number, and the publisher, all separated by commas, you can select entirely different blocks of cells by separating them with commas inside the formula arguments. For example, you could write your formula to reference the title cell, add a comma, reference the issue number cell, add another comma, and then reference the publisher cell. Textjoin will gracefully string them all together into a clean, readable sentence while automatically placing your chosen delimiter exactly where it belongs. It is also incredibly helpful to know how to add custom typed text right into the middle of your Textjoin formula to make your combined data sound more natural. If you want a cell to read something like issue number 1, published by Image, you can place those specific connecting words inside quotation marks as independent arguments within your formula string as seen on the screen. By mixing cell selections with custom text strings, you can transform rigid rows of raw data from your tracking sheets into beautifully formatted descriptions. This is a massive time saver if you are trying to generate clean labels for an inventory system or drafting catalog listings for a collection. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.